The Appointment Schedule feature in Google Calendar allows you to create a personal booking page so that other people can book time with you. You can schedule the appointments at set times and get the schedule to check your availability to avoid double booking. To create a new appointment schedule, first make sure you're signed into your Google account. Then open Google Calendar on a computer. Go to Create and select Appointment Schedule from the drop-down menu. Add a title for your appointment schedule. This title will be visible to people booking an appointment with you. Set your appointment duration. You can select from the preset options or choose custom, but the appointment duration must be a minimum of 5 minutes. Choose whether you want your appointment schedule to repeat each week. Add the times during which you want appointments to be available. And check that your time zone is correct. Scheduling window allows you to set specific start and end dates for your appointment schedule, if you only want it to last a set period of time. You can also set the maximum time in advance that an appointment can be booked, and the minimum time in advance that an appointment can be booked before it starts. This is useful if you want to prevent people being able to book an appointment at very short notice. You can adjust your availability for a specific date. Booked appointment settings allow you to set a buffer time between appointment slots so that they're not scheduled back to back, and set a limit on the maximum number of appointments that can be booked in one day. Under Calendars, firstly set the calendar which you want the appointment schedule to be linked to. By default, this will be your primary calendar, but you can set it to be a secondary calendar if you want. However, this can't be changed after the appointment schedule has been created. If you tick Check Calendars for availability, then any appointment slots that clash with an existing event in your calendar will be automatically removed. You can also add other calendars to check availability against. A clash with any event on any of the calendars you select here will mean that the appointment slot is removed. You can add co-hosts to the appointment schedule if it won't always be you running the appointments. Booking page photo and name shows how your name and photo will appear on the appointment booking page. This is set by the name and profile picture from your Google account. Location and conferencing allows you to choose how and where the meeting will take place, whether it's via Google Meet, in person, a phone call, or to be specified later. Zoom meetings can't be automatically added to an appointment, but if you choose to be specified later, then you can add a Zoom meeting to an appointment once it's been booked. Under Description, you can add some text explaining your appointment schedule and what it's for. The description will be shown on the appointment booking page. Booking Form allows you to customize the form that people fill in when they're booking an appointment with you. Name and email address are required fields, but you can add other fields too. For example, if your appointments will take place over the phone, you can add a phone number field. You can also set whether these fields are required or optional. You can add custom fields as well, if there's further information you want to capture when someone books an appointment. The setting to require email verification can be used to prevent malicious bookings. If you enable this option, anyone booking an appointment will need to either be signed into a Google account or confirm a verification code sent to them via email. Booking confirmations and reminders. Both you and the person booking the appointment will automatically get a calendar invitation, but you can also set it up to send reminder emails to the person who books the appointment at a set interval before the appointment. Your appointment schedule is now ready to send out. Let's open the booking page. The Share button will allow you to get the link, which can be shared with anyone who you want to invite to book an appointment with you. When they open the link, they'll see a page like this, with all the available upcoming appointment slots. Slots will have been automatically removed if they've already been booked, or if they clash with another event in a calendar you've set it to check availability in. For example, the 9 a.m. slot on Friday is not showing because there's already an event happening then. Let's test out booking an appointment. Once the appointment's been booked, a confirmation email is sent to both the person booking the appointment and the person running the appointment. A calendar event is also created, with both of them invited. This event will include all the information from the booking form. If Google Meet has been chosen as the location, the calendar event will also include a Google Meet link.